Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's going to be nice and short. I'm just going to show you how to create a much cleaner crochet stitch using Tapestry Crochet. So you can kind of see the difference, especially in this line right here. That one's a lot cleaner. And then the diagonals, there's just not a lot of stray yarns everywhere. So yeah, that'll be really easy.
I forgot to say it, but like and subscribe. This trick is dope. I hope it helps you out, and enjoy the video.
Alright, so I've just got a simple text letter to show you how to do it. So I'll explain it first and then I'll show you a couple examples. So essentially the rules are, whenever you're crocheting with a different color than what you're going into, you have to use this trick. And it's different on the right side and the wrong side. So, you know, we have two loops in single crochet, and we have a little V right here. This one facing towards us is the front loop, and this one is the back loop. And we're going to go into just one of these when we're using this technique. When we're on the right side, we want to go into the back loop only. And remember, this is only when the color that you're working with is different than the one you're going into. So on the right side, which is the one that doesn't have the tails on it, we want to work into the back loop only. And when we're on the wrong side, we want to work into the front loop only. And that's what gives it this really clean look, especially on diagonals and then these lines right here. So I'll just show you how to do it. So because we're doing yellow on yellow right now, we can just do the regular single crochet into here, but the pattern calls for one more single crochet right here in yellow. So because we're on the right side, just go into the back loop only and finish that. And I need to change colors here, so I'm going to change it and then just continue on. I need to do 4 of the salmon colored single crochets, and then this is when I need to do another yellow one, so I'll just go into the back loop only, finish that one up, and then I can change colors here again. Alright, and then an example on the wrong side. I need to do 4 of the salmon pink crochets. And because I'm on here now, I need to do pink on yellow, I have to go into the front loop only. So front loop, single crochet, change color, and then I need to do 2 yellow, and then change again, 2 yellow, so 1, 2, and this is when I have to use the technique again. So remember, wrong side is front loop only, so just go into that one, do the single crochet, and then just finish off the round doing regular ones. And it's that easy. It really makes such a difference, and you get so much faster at it the more you do it. I use this technique in everything that I make and sell, and it works wonders, especially for text. It just makes it so much clearer. So yeah, thanks for watching this. I really hope it helps you out, especially with text and the bags that I make. It makes it look so much better. And yeah, thanks for watching.